Getting ready at home.
Are you ready for today?
Not yet. I just woke up a few minutes ago.
You look very sleepy.
I slept late last night.
Why did you sleep late?
I watched a movie with my cousin.
Was the movie good?
Yes, it was funny.
What are you doing now?
I am making breakfast in the kitchen.
That smells really good.
Thank you. Do you want some eggs?
Yes, please. I am very hungry.
Sit down. Breakfast is almost ready.
Do we have coffee?
Yes, I made fresh coffee.
Great. I need coffee this morning.
You always say that.
Because it is true.
What time do we need to leave?
Around 8:30.
Oh no, it is already 8 o'clock.
Then we should hurry a little.
I still need to get dressed.
Your clothes are on the chair.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem. I also cleaned the table.
Wow, you are very helpful today.
Today? Only today?
Okay, you are always helpful.
Can you check the weather outside?
Sure, it looks sunny today.
Perfect. Let's go.
Okay, now I am really ready.
Feeling sick on the plane.
Excuse me,
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
I do not feel very well.
I am sorry to hear that. What happened?
My head hurts and I feel dizzy.
Okay. Please try to stay calm.
I think I am a little nervous.
That is normal during flights sometimes.
The plane is shaking a lot.
Yes, we have a little turbulence today.
I do not like it very much.
I understand. Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here is a bottle of water.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Drink slowly.
Okay.
Are you traveling alone today?
Yes, I am.
Do you travel by plane often?
Not really. This is my second flight.
That explains it. Some people feel nervous at first.
Yes, I feel a little scared.
Please do not worry. Everything is okay.
Thank you for saying that.
Would you like some orange juice too?
Yes, that sounds nice.
Here you go.
Thank you. You are very kind.
It is my job to help passengers.
I feel a little better now.
That is good to hear.
Thank you for helping me today.
Of course. Please call me if you need anything else.
Looking for a job.
Did you find any new jobs today?
Yes, I found 3 job openings online.
That is great news.
I want to apply today.
What kind of job do you want?
I want an office job.
That sounds good for you.
I hope so. I really need work.
Do not worry. You can do it.
Thank you for encouraging me.
Did you finish your resume?
Almost. I still need to add my skills.
What skills will you write?
Communication, computer skills, and teamwork.
Those are very useful skills.
I hope the company likes my resume.
I think they will like it.
I also need to write an email.
Keep it short and polite.
Yes, I will.
Do you want me to check your resume?
Really? That would help me a lot.
Sure, send it to me.
Okay, one moment.
Your resume looks clean and professional.
Thank you. I worked hard on it.
Maybe add your phone number here.
Oh, yes, good idea.
Also, check your spelling.
I already checked it 2 times.
I feel nervous about interviews.
What should I say in the interview?
Speak clearly and smile naturally.
Okay, I will practice tonight. Planning a vacation.
We really need a vacation.
Yes, I feel tired from work.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe somewhere near the beach.
A beach vacation sounds perfect.
I want warm weather and good food.
Me too.
How many days should we stay?
Maybe 5 or 6 days.
That sounds nice.
Should we travel by plane or car?
Plane is faster.
Yes, but tickets can be expensive.
We can look for cheap tickets online.
Good idea.
What hotel should we choose?
I want a clean and quiet hotel.
Same here.
Maybe a hotel near the beach.
That would be beautiful.
Do you want to do activities there?
Yes, I want to swim and take pictures.
I want to try local food.
You always think about food.
Food is important on vacation.
That is true.
Should we invite friends too?
Maybe not this time.
You want a quiet vacation.
Yes, just relaxing and resting.
When should we travel?
Maybe next month.
Perfect. This vacation will be fun.
I cannot wait to see the beach. First day at university.
Are you excited for your first day?
Yes, but I am also nervous.
That is completely normal.
The university campus is so big.
We can find your classroom together.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Did you bring your student ID?
Yes, it is in my bag.
Good. What classes do you have today?
English, history, and computer class.
That sounds like a busy day.
Yes, I hope the teachers are nice.
I think they will be friendly.
I also hope I make new friends.
You were very friendly. Do not worry.
I want to join some student clubs too.
That is a great idea.
Maybe I will join the English club.
Perfect for speaking practice.
Exactly.
Did you bring notebooks and pens?
Yes, I packed everything last night.
Very organized.
I did not want to forget anything.
Oh no, I think we're in the wrong building.
Let me see the schedule.
Here it is.
My class is in Building C.
Oh, now I understand.
We still have enough time.
Good. You do not want to be late.
Look, there is my classroom.
Great, you found it.
Thank you for helping me today.